All right. We are trying to raise 200 rands to 2,000 rands with taking a risk of 20 20% per trade. So trade yokuqala ngithathe ngo-40 rand ngayiwina. But this is the first one engifake egroupini. So asithi nje kufana nokuthi this is the first one. So lo 40 rand lokuqala ngeke ngiwubale. This is the first one engifake egroupini, nayi la egroupini. In fact, let me share the entire screen. Let's do that. Yep, let's do that. Let me share a screen. All right, so now you get trading. If I really like grouping, I'll minimize this. Right, so yes, here's our first trade. It's doing well so far. I'm going to look for a Amanyama trade. No, must not be bad. I'm on the low. All right. Now I'm going for no stench. Go. Let's see if we can find something else. Yellow pineapple. Okay, notice Sotera. Opportunity number 2. Let's do that. Sell 1 minute available. So I'm going to send a signal again. Let's buy 40 for another 5 minutes. So I'm taking the trade again for another 5 minutes. Okay, the first one, siwinile. I'm seeing a pullback coming, so I'm not gonna take a trade manja until we have a pullback, and then I'm gonna take another trade. Let's see, let's see, let's see, are we at the high? No, we're not at the high yet. So I think it's across ADX Lana. Hopefully it's gonna turn up within the 2 minutes and we are going to win the trade. But sizobona. Okay, ADX yami uline oyelo nawo uyehla. So we are going to have like a small movement maybe for the next 30 seconds and then so after lapho ukuthi what happens. Okwamanje, I'm not gonna take any trade until I'm sure ukuthi yenza njani. All right, ngiyathemba soyiwina le. We have about 20 seconds, but I still see ukuthi move sideways or even pull back njengoba kade ngisho for isikhashana then continue going up. Okay, unfortunately this one on the last 5 seconds. Wait, okay. Minamang. We actually won this one. So this is telling us i-downward ready to color. So I'm giving out a signal again ukuthi siphinde sithenge for another 5 minutes. Okay, ngathi siyaqala-ke le movement kade ngiyibuka, but I'm only going to watch it for the next maybe 2 minutes. So buka ukuthi iyenze njani. I think mina izolasta kancane le movement ezansi. It's not going to be strong enough to make us lose this trade. So I think I'm going to let it go. Siyilinde nje kuphela. I think it's a winner the trade. And if it's Nabuyela back above so reach at the top Bollinger Band, I'm going to take a trade again for another 5 minutes. Ngiqhubeke ngidlele u-pineapple wami. Okay, I'm going to give out. Wait, why am I not martingale? I'm supposed to be taking 40, not so 40 per, but 40% per trade. Come on. Ngibona le nto yokwenza izinto ey'ningi. Okay, it's fine. I'm just gonna double the amount now and then take okay, no, I'm gonna wait. This does not look like an artisan new. Okay, that's what I was waiting for. So let's give out another one. Okay, so maybe again a Monday they will get an even better entry. And value Michael. Okay, notice I win another. Okay, I think now I'm going to start looking for, let's see. Let's see, how far are we from the top? There's still room. There's still room. So let's add just one last trade. No, man. There's still a small Anyana room to the top side. So we are going to do just one more. But wait, I'm gonna win this one, right? Yeah, let's go. I'm going with 120 here. Sengisendele groupini. 1, 2. Okay. Shawele yatype leyana yazi. Ngabe ngingene la izathu. Ngavele ngamistype 120. But okay, it's fine. There's still room to the upside. Tina, which is riding this wave all the way back to the top. La suka khona. Ngiyatshela. Yeah. If ngawina lo 80 oqala at least, it won't be bad even if ngawuluza le 120 engufaka manje. Just as long as I can win. Athi ngizume in. If I can at least win low 8 and in 10 seconds I'll be winning low 80 in 3 seconds. All right, Danko. Okay, obu 70 rand RAM plus lower 80. Okay, I'm now on 291. And I have a 120 trade running. So we're doing good. That's my updates, a group in. Let's try and take a screenshot. So far, this is where we are. We've only been winning. We go now, it's about 2 league, that's why. But I know there's one lady who's taking my trades for sure. And Kulumenaye, group 40. And I'm jealous. I'm a signals and I'll send as a main group. So let's do this. Where is this snipping tool? Okay, there we go. So quickly with it the entire window. I don't want that. Okay, it's fine though. I can share that too. All wins so far. Yeah, Boragi trading, mangabe uyenza kahle. It's not exciting. It's not scary. All the trades have been winning so far. Okay, nange confirm ubanele la. Uthi yes, you're right. Well, vele siyabona nathi siyatrade. So yeah, let's keep going. I'm just looking for another pullback. I like getting in on pullbacks. That's the best time to enter mangabe ride the e-wave. Because right now we're riding a wave. Yaqala ukuthi kuphele 5 minutes singakaze siyithole pullback. After this pullback, yabona ukuthi there hasn't been a pullback. So it's like kuzoze kuphele le trade singakangeni futhi. Kanti kulawa amanye besingena isarana le end. Okay, now I have a pullback. So let's go in. I've been saying one last time forever, so you know the drill now. Let's go in one last time. So number 6 lot. So let's go in one last time. Drop kancane phela. Zambane lami. Danko, I like that. Okay, siyithathile ke leya drop. I went in with 120. I should have gone with 150 at least now. Let's add 36, selling 260. Is that right? 36. 36? Ngikhumbula. Seriously? All right, so sengufakile. I've gone in with 156. So let's keep going. Let's just go. Let's just go. I'm sure you've never seen someone who trades like this. It's only the olden guys, abo kwakusakhona lento ekuthiwa i-trend following kwi-forex. Well, no, not kwi-forex kuphela. Nakwama-stocks, almost most markets back in the day. Kusakhona abo-Jesse Livermore, abo-Richard Dennis, ama-material traders. Abenza this thing. Yeah, it's just trend following, trend following. You only have to time i-entry yakho. Ungangeni kwi-trend with high margin, ube ungene la izo-pullback khona, ngithi yabo. So mhlampe let's say ungene somewhere la, and when are you saying buy because it's been going up, kodwa la buka ivele yenze kanje, ithi pullback. If ufake i-risk or i-leverage eningi la uzoluza wena. And maybe get kicked out, maybe i-reach stop loss sakho. Kanti immediately after that, it's going to continue going up. Angithi yabo? Which is the beauty of binary options. We do not have that thing. As long as isikhathi sami sisakhona, even if bengingenela la right at the top, yabo, I wouldn't be affected ngesikhathi sa-pullback kanje. Angithi yabo, right now it's close to le entry engabe iyona if bengene lapha phezulu, angithi yabo. But it's always good practice to wait for a pullback if you want to trade stress-free, angithi yabo. So amakhandlela kanjena awak-stress if you entered at a good entry point, just like we did here. Angithi yabo. So we still have 2 minutes. So asinawari nje all. But we are not saying, sure, we are going to win this trade. We never know that. Otherwise, bengizoyifaka yonke if I was sure. No one is ever sure with markets with what's going to happen. But I think, because you don't want to trade the entire, like 100% of the move, like 80% is enough. Let's see, have we reached the top? Yes, maybe not entirely, but as you can see, we are very close to the top. So eqhubeka yodwa-ke manje mina, I'm going to wait for another opportunity or look at other pairs. That's what I'm gonna do. Gonna look at other markets and ngiqhubekele yodwa-ke manje. It's giving us how many? 6 trades, yeah. 6 trades. Well, 7 mina khona eyodwa engiyithathile before announce la. So here's what I do again. Let me teach you something. Okay, no, it's not gonna be fair on the others. Abayithathile le trade. So okay, but here's what I was going to do. I was going to take mangabe yenza this thing very close to the entry, the expiry time. This is a peli trade. Angithi yabo manje kusele 30 seconds. Ngizothatha trade. Let me teach you this. In fact, let me not confuse you. Sishiye kanjani? Sishiye kanjani? Okay, buka-ke manje difference. I'm gonna teach you something. Look at the difference between lows. Okay, let me just take a screenshot and then send it to a group. And then let's take a pause. I'm seeing a pullback. Let's take a pause. Actually, I think it's Mrs. Down. Let's take a break. I'm seeing pullback. Wait, let me really let me just update Kanji. That candle is making me change my mind. In fact, yes, I'm changing my mind. So I'm gonna let's take another one. In fact, let's just take another candle. Another 5 minutes. But I'm not gonna increase. I'm gonna do the 54. Lana, I'm not comfortable with like 5 minutes is just, yeah, the break her up because I'm seeing a smaller retracement after that. So I'm gonna take just yeah, and then after Lana I can take maybe another 100. But let's get a clear pullback. Camp by Tampa 6, I don't know, maybe 3 minutes. So it's all that is pullback and then besiyaqala iyaphenduka ibuyela phezulu. So mhlawumbe izoba below lo line center. Okay, no, it's not gonna do that. All right, so I'm going in here. So isipusha with momentum-ke manje. Suke sekubalekwa ngempela-ke manje. It's more like besikade so this is what happens vele. Angithi uyakhumbula bengithi we are coming close to the top where we actually started. It's a goal, so I think we've surpassed that. Have we? Nope, we almost there. Angithi yabo, we almost there. So yenza njalo vele mangabe isizofika. Usually learn experience eqhamuka from the time when I was trading forex. Yabona la ubeke khona i-stop loss, I mean i-take profit yakho. When you usually look at profits i-float la uyitshela ukuthi this is enough. Let me take my profits and go home. Kanti just immediately after uyithatha leyo lokhuzana leyo profit, you will notice ukuthi ivele iphushe so strong, even if yabo la ubeke khona i-take profit yakho ivele idlule kakhulu futhi lapho, so end up uyisola ukuthi awuyazi ngigcine ngathathanga ngisho la kwi-take profit yami, ivele iphushe kakhulu mase ifika kulama levels lawo sithi ama levels of support and levels of resistance. So just like initially, I was like, I'm only going to take 40%, 80% of the move, not yonke. But then mangibuka amakhandlela angitshela a different story. Angithi yabo mawubuka leli khandlela leli phinde yaliphinda la. I was like, nah, nah, yabo. Ithi mangabe izama ukubuyela ezansi, ibuyele immediately phezulu, yabo. Abizwa ngama-railroad tracks lamakhandlela lawa awuthuka nje. Ithi mayithi kanje and then an opposite reaction, opposite reaction, angithi yabo. So yeah, no, I think I'm going to take just one last trade. If ngingafika kwi-1,000, then I'm done. Ngeke ngisaya ku-2,000. I've had enough for today. Yo, I doubled my account namhlanje, and I was very happy. I withdraw yonke, share this 200 because I'm trying to motivate these guys. Babone ukuthi what we do is real. So I think mhlampe even nalaba abangekho online, when they watch this video, mhlampe bazobona ukuthi into engisuke ngizama ukubafundisa yona into esebenzayo, into engiyaziyo, into futhi engiyenzayo. So luckily bakhona-ke omahlobo esitrade nabo obanele bakhona. So at least bona bazobe befakazi ukuthi hayi sasikhona, siyayazi. It is in front of us. So yeah. Hey, as I was hoping for a pullback, la mangibuka la makhandlela amancane kanje, ngathi izowehla kancane before iphushe, but awehle kancane. Yeah. So 795, no, 200 long to the let's take 250. We're going to take 250. So we're going to take 250. Yeah, we're going to take 250. You see that that's in the been a while since HI pullback, so I think it's going to be a reasonable pullback. And Kongola sesidlulile yazi to be a new resistance. So we are really pushing it. So bona siyenza njani. So tshelwa yiyona kumele iphinde ishayele leli khandlela leli elikhulu leli lisikhombisa ukuthi isakhona i-energy. Okay, angithi yabo siyanqaba. Ayisekho i-energy. Ayisekho i-energy. Buke siyanqaba. Okay, that's the candle I'm looking for. Let's go in just one last time, guys. One last time. What's in Bachele like grouping? One last time. Okay, and then we go. How, IQ option. As well, like, how you pressing in, man. But I guess it's fine. We are not trading above 5 seconds. We are trading off 5 minutes, so let's just small gap, small slippage. All right, so la simple-ke ke mangabe ufika kwi-situation ekanje. So we've been going up, so we are taking a break, we are moving sideways. Sizobona ngale reaction yala ezansi ukuthi yenza njani. Okay, so this is telling me ukuthi we still have room to the upside. So let's give them just one more. Labo one more bama bangapheli. Another one. Let's go 9, buy. And then I'm going to take that with another 250. Okay, the reason is if ubuka la, let's go back la. Khona lamakhandlela engithe ama-railroad tracks. Lawa kuyiwona asitshelayo ukuthi do we still have momentum? Sithi njalo uma ngabe senza i-pullback kanje, ngithi yabo, fike ithi peep outside la, but immediately after, if isakhona i-energy, immediately after yenza njani? Ibuyela la ngemuva. Phakathi kanje. Immediately after, that's the key. Immediately after, not ikhandlela lesithathu noma lesi-4. Immediately after yenze kanje. And again yenza the same thing lapho. And then buka-ke nala, it's the same thing. Ngithi yabo. Ithe mayehla ibuyela la ngezansi, immediately after bayiphikise, but no, we still have energy yokuthi sibuyele ngaphakathi. Ngithi yabo, we still have energy. So yeah, let's see. So if I win these trades, calling it a day. If I win these trades, I'm calling it a day. Let's take another screenshot. Can it last the 30 seconds in the above just so that I can win the first one? Come on. Okay, na baba ngicabanga. Yeah, if I can just nabo my car, baba my mic. Hello, sawubona. Okay, I will lose this guy. Come on. Okay, I lost that one. I'm sad. So I'm going to risk the next 30, let's say 1 minute, or even 2 minutes, because it's a little 2 minutes ago. So I'm gonna risk the next 2 minutes. Let's go. We 251. Okay, won't be 250 exactly, unless I also risk the 39 coin. Ukuthi bayangi bankrupt alabantu states. No, it's fine. Sinyukile. It's fine. So probably not gonna. It's probably not gonna be my last trade. So let me give them the last one, but not manje ngizoyibhala nje just ukuthi ibe khona. One. So it's gonna be 10 signals. in total. Let's see, are we still going to get a decent pullback that's going to give us? I don't see much movement to the upside. Or let me put it this way. Amakhandlela aphikisayo aseqala ukuqina ngokusayizi. Ngithi yabo? Not to say kodwa ukuthi sure. Come on, you can't lose that one. Well, if you lose a layer, then this is all for nothing. Come on. All right, sharp. So, okay, that was sad. That was very, very sad. So here's what I'm going to do. Yeah, let's keep going though. It's fine. Let's keep going. I'm gonna give them the signal manager. And then again, I'm going with 250. Okay, ngicale go 200, so it's fine. Let's just do 309.6. Back to square one. Well, that's if I lose it. I took 2 minutes. I'm not focusing much. I was supposed to take a 5-minute trade. Remember? We're trading 5 minutes, but my entry is fine though. So angikhali kakhulu. Angikhali kakhulu. Ngiyakhala kona kodwa hayi kakhulu, hayi kakhulu, hayi kakhulu, hayi kakhulu, hayi kakhulu. So I think I should remain out personally in destroy. Okay, not personally. Emotionally, I could not take it well. Leah lost your clip, so I should take 5. Mina. So let's take a break after these 10 trades. Let's take a break after these. After 10 trades. Kuhamba kanjani so far? Team balance. Team balance. How much profits have you made from how much? After our call. Okay, we won that one, so let's take a break and see ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Yeah, I guess sizwe ukuthi bazophendula bathini egrouphini. As for me, anti-destroyile lawo, yabo nje, that's 500. I should be on 1,282. Or 250 ababili labayana. Let's see, let me show you. Nangu lo 250 nangu omunye. So nje bangiphazamise kakhulu. I wanted a clean sheet, but okay, we have okay, let's go in. Let's go back in. Let's go back in. Naleli khandlela esilithandayo ngithi malikhumbula. Kuyikona ukuthi asithandi-ke mesiyithatha lapha engathi singathola isimolanyana pullback. How low is this? Okay, let me drop because my confidence is dropped, I'm not gonna lie. So asiphinde simunge ngo-able ngithatha up 1,000. siphinde siyincinge fakelwa 82 ngale eceleni. I know I'm seeing a pullback lapho ngifuna ukuyithatha just below i-center. Yeah, I think that's after this candles siyangena, so let's do 11. Okay, I'm seeing a crossover now. So we are probably going below this guy. Is it? Yeah. If we fail to break this high, then we're definitely going below the center or the middle band, like a Bollinger Band. And if that's the case, then we're getting a decent pullback. Makunjalo sizongena-ke. I can even do add to 200 lapha go to 82. And then selling of 500, which is fine. That's profit yabani 300 if I lose. Okay, now that's what I was talking about. So after this, the only thing I'm looking for is a pullback eyaphezulu khombisayo ukuthi iyaqhubeka-ke le. I don't like it mangabe yehla kanje i-ADX yami le yellow ne. But let's do just one more. I'm going to go in with low 82, and then if it drops, I'm going to add to Omonyo hundreds. Let's just say 182, and so that's fine. Not 10 rand, 100 rand. Oh. Futhi kuzomele banikeze nabo le. Okay. About 12, and then I'm calling it a day. Yeah, if you see closer above the line of the center, I'm going in with, yeah, no, let's go. Ngithi yabona ukuthi it messed up my confidence kanjani. Sengicabanga kaningi kanti I was not like that ekuqaleni. Okay, let's go in one last time. Okay, sharp, right ngo 500. So if I lose, I've made a profit here 300. If I win, I think I'm going to be, yeah, if I win, I've hit 8,000. So that's a 800 rand profit. So let's see what the next 3 minutes has for us. Do we pull back and lose? Okay, if we pull back, we are making only 300, but if we go up, then we've made 800, which is both are good, but one is great. So we're hoping for the next 3 minutes, just do one more push to the upside. And then so bese sithi siyabonga, 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 siyabonga. So bese sithi siyabonga. 3 minutes mkhulu-ke yazi. Vele ube mkhulu. La kumele ube mncane khona. Yabo nje manje kumele ngabe siyaphela nje isikhathi salapha. La. Anyway, I guess Linda, there's not much we can do after that, so sekukulinda nje. I mean, I've accepted to 500 rand lo olapha ubonayo kuyi-balance manje. So if ngibuya after 2 minutes kuwona, it's fine. That means I've made 300 rand profits because it's still like 200 angithi. All right, danko. But it's promising. We're going to kusasele 2 minutes, and the 2 minutes mkhulu kakhulu. And besides, my confidence has been messed up. Angiphazamisile lawo ama-trade. Ngiphazamisile, I'm not gonna lie, angiphazamisile. Ikhona i-trade engi-accept-ayo ukuyiluza. Angithi yabo, lawayana nje I wasn't expecting to lose those trades. Excuse. But I'm sure I'm gonna look at the video and see where I went wrong. Nami ngizofuna ukubheka around leso sikhathi lesami, ngizobheka ukuthi bekuyisikhathini. Let's go to trading history and look at bekuyisikhathini 6:15. I should say 4:15. Yeah, 4:15. Yeah, 4:15 and 18 minutes past. So yeah, asithi 4:15. Ngizokubheka-ke lapha kwi-video, ngizoscrolla nje up until ngifike la kubhale khona 4:15 and just look at bengenzani around this time. Mhlawumbe ngizoqala ku-10 past kodwa just to see ukuthi market ibikade i-behave kanjani and mina iliphi iphutha engilenzile. Because it's costly. Yabo into ezo-affecta umqondo, it's very costly. But isincengile bakwethu. I mean, from 35 to 70, 100, 100, 31, 8. And then saqala sathi sizenza amarazi sishaya 250 kuthiwa sorry bhuti, hamba udlala ngontanga bakho. And then ngazama again ngathi okay sharp ngoba unenkani mina u-220. Ngathi ngiyabuka kodwa hhayi kahle ndoda. Siyakutshela nje uma usuba nenkani. Hey, ngasingathi hhayi ngeke phela nami ngeke ngizwe ngani. Ngabuya futhi, so I made back lama loss. Ukuthi nje angiphazamisile, that's all. Okay. This is the longest 40 seconds ever. I'm not gonna lie. This is the best system. I'm not gonna lie. Ingichazile le ndlela esengiyibambile manje. Iyangenzela imali. Yo, too much. Any system I've ever traded, just being in tune with the markets, understanding what's going on, looking at the price action, understanding candles, reading the trend, bona ukuthi okay, yehla manje, yenza njani manje, iyajika manje, sikhathele manje, it's going to pause manje. Yeah. Okay. This is beautiful. Beautiful. There we go. 8,000. 8,000. Damko. Ayike. So ngehla-ke makethe kade ujahile ukwehla. Siyakukhulula-ke manje. Awuke wehle-ke. Hawu, kade ujahile. Sithi siyakukhulula. Sungenza anything ofisa ukuyenza empilweni. Okay. Hey, I wonder if I gave them this trade.
Boy. Boy.
Okay, mina ngiyama-ke la. Ngiyezwa kukhona abantu abakhona kodwa manje anikhuluma nisho lutho. So sengiyayivala-ke mina. Ngiyema la. Sengibongile mina. Danko. 1 hour exactly. Started this an hour ago.